Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best TV Sync Lights is probably one of the most exciting innovations in home entertainment, transforming the way we experience movies and games. These lights extend the visuals from your screen into your room, creating a dynamic and immersive atmosphere. Whether you're a casual viewer or a hardcore gamer, the right TV Sync lights can significantly enhance your viewing experience, making every movie night and gaming session more engaging. Number 5. Govee 3 Lite TV Backlight. Introducing the Govee 3 Lite TV Backlight. It enhances your viewing experience with vibrant colors and dynamic lighting. This innovative product brings your content to life. The upgraded chip provides stronger performance with a fisheye correction function. It expands the effective range to provide more accurate color matching along the edges. This ensures a seamless and immersive experience. The Robic TV lights add an extra warm white chip into the color mix. This creates a purer white tone and improves pixel density. The lighting effect is more vivid and natural. The gravitational hanging design for the camera simplifies installation. You can easily adapt it for ultra-thin TVs, use the adhesive to stabilize it without wobble. This function realizes the linkage of Govee lights. You can add up to 7 subdevices to sync the lighting effects. Create a 360 degrees immersive view experience, and enrich the light mapping effects within the home environment. It can instantly capture the color of any TV screen for color matching without compatibility issues. Use it while streaming content, watching online videos, or gaming. Manage the TV LED strip lights via Govee Home app or voice commands. Choose from various features with a simple tap on the app. It offers a range of customization options. What we like. This product's fisheye correction ensures accurate color matching, expanding the effective range. With the 4-in-1 lamp bead, it offers a purer white tone and more vivid lighting. If you're looking to create a fully immersive home theater experience with synchronized lighting across multiple Govee devices, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors is so vibrant, and when the screen is dark the lights go off. Works really well, don't know why some of the 1-stars say it's hard to connect or anything. Setup was easy and the app works easily with the light. Number 4. Govee TV LED Backlight for 55 to 65-inch TVs. This Govee TV LED backlight uses RGBIC technology to create dynamic and stunning lighting effects. It provides more vibrant colors, enhancing your viewing experience. You can easily manage this LED TV light using the app or your voice with Alexa and Google Assistant. Please note that it doesn't capture colors automatically and only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. The Govee Home app offers a wide variety of preset scene modes. Choose the perfect lighting effect to match your mood and create the ideal atmosphere. With its built-in mic, this backlight syncs the color and brightness with your music. It creates breathtaking lighting effects that dance with any audio. The 12.5-foot strip is designed to fit 55 to 65-inch TVs. Use the included cable clips to secure the LED strip lights for a snug fit. What we like. The RGBIC technology provides dynamic and gorgeous lighting effects. It offers app and voice control for easy management. If you want to easily customize your viewing experience with various scene modes and music sync, this is a great choice. What people say. Super easy to apply. Just wipe the back of the TV down with the included wipe, peel the tape off the light strips, and stick on the edges of your TV. The lights are bright and vibrant. No dead spots. The Govee app, which is what you need to customize these, is easy to use and reliable, which can't be said for other tech gadgets like this that require an app. Number 3. Ailofy Smart TV LED Backlight with Camera. This Ailofy TV LED backlight enhances your viewing. It has a built-in HD camera that captures colors on your screen, creating a light show that syncs with your content. Control the backlight easily with Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also use the Ailofy app to customize colors and effects. Enjoy hands-free control that fits into your daily life. This backlight syncs with your picture and sound using its HD camera and microphone. It offers various lighting modes, including music and video modes, to boost your entertainment with many colors. The Ailofy TV LED Backlight uses advanced sensor technology for instant color changes. This ensures the lighting flows seamlessly with your screen content, giving you real-time synchronization. Setting up the TV sync LED lights is simple. Just fix the camera on top of your TV. The lights fit 55 to 65-inch TVs and attach securely with clips and adhesives. Ailofy provides lifetime technical support for your TV LED backlight. If you have any questions, please contact us. Your purchase includes the backlight system, camera, power adapter, and user manual. What we like. This product uses an HD camera to capture every color detail on your screen. It also offers smart voice and app control for easy customization. If you want real-time synchronization and effortless control over your TV's lighting, this is the perfect option. What people say. It works without any programming or setting anything up in a useless app. It doesn't just switch between a couple of light colors all at once, it actually puts colors in a background based on the screen. The built-in HD camera syncs the LED lights to the colors on the screen perfectly, creating an impressive light show that adds so much to movie nights and gaming sessions. Number 2. Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite Kit for 55 to 65 inches TVs. This upgraded kit includes an 11.8 feet Robic TV LED backlight and two 15-inch smart light bars. It has a fisheye correction camera for more accurate color matching and a fuller reactive atmosphere lighting. With an extra warm white chip, the lighting effect is more vivid and natural. This upgrade enhances the immersive movie watching and gaming experience. The Smart TV lighting system syncs with both visuals and sounds. It creates the ultimate home theater experience. The camera's design simplifies installation, especially for ultra-thin TVs. You can use the adhesive to stabilize it without any wobble. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it offers hands-free voice control. The Govee Home app provides smart features like customization, scheduling, and music modes. What we like. This kit combines the backlight with smart light bars for a fuller reactive atmosphere. The 4-in-1 light beads enhance immersive viewing. If you want a complete lighting solution that syncs with both visuals and audio, then you should consider this. What people say. The installation was super easy, just peel and stick the LED strips to the back of my TV, and I was good to go. The lights create this awesome ambient glow that extends the colors of the screen onto the wall behind the TV. The lights dance and change color to the beat of the music, creating a really fun and vibrant atmosphere. Number 1. AR Smart TV LED Backlight. Introducing the AR Smart TV LED Backlight. This innovative product uses AR capture for real-time color matching, providing a truly immersive experience. It's a cost-effective solution that enhances your viewing without compromising your privacy. This LED light strip fits TVs from 24 to 100 inches. The AR Smart Pickup color sensors capture colors from your screen and apply them to the backlights. It's plug and play, so there's no complicated setup or calibration needed. Manage the LED lights with the Smart app. You can access 16 million colors, various scenes, and features like a timer and music mode. It can also be controlled via the control box without a network. Enjoy vivid and natural lighting with the enhanced double 50/50 RGB light beads. These lights feature oversized chips and a waterproof coating. The control box has a built-in mic to sync with music, perfect for any occasion. We stand behind our product with a 5-year warranty. If you have any issues, we're here to help. We are committed to ensuring you are satisfied with the TV LED backlight and the service we provide. What we like. This product uses AR technology for real-time color matching without latency. It has an adjustable telescoping pole that fits various TV sizes. If you are looking for an affordable and easy-to-install solution with Smart app control, this is the one for you. What people say. The lights sync perfectly with the TV picture, adding a whole new dimension to movies, games, and even regular TV shows. Installation is straightforward, and the adhesive backing sticks securely to the back of the TV. The lights connect easily to the control box, and the app setup is user-friendly, making it easy to get started in just a few minutes. With various modes and color adjustments, you can set the lights to match your mood or the type of content you're watching. The dynamic mode that syncs with sound is especially cool for action movies and games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.